Hey, the buzzword in home interior industry is the smart home. And everyone wants to build a smart home. But how do you build a smart home? What should be the ideal budget? People spend a substantial amount of money to build a smart home. But nowadays it is not very complicated. You can do it yourself with a pocket friendly budget. Let me take you through a sample example. In this project, we have 8 devices that can be controlled through automation. And as you can see, I am using a Google Home Nest to pass on the control. So what are those 8 devices that can be controlled? Out of 8, 4 of them are light. We have different kind of light setup: the tube light, LED light, the spotlights, and I have a smart bulb also set up where you can change colors. Apart from the lights, we have a fan, we have the TV, and we have a sound bar which can be controlled anywhere from your home using a voice command using the Google Nest. Let me show you the heart of the smart home. It's a Wi-Fi router, or it could be a hub which controls all your smart equipments. Okay Google, switch on LED light. Switch off LED. Okay Google, switch on fan.
Alright, turning on the fan.
Switch off fan.
Got it, turning off the fan.
Okay Google, switch on dim light. Switch off dim light. Okay Google, switch on tube light.
Got it, turning the tube light on.
Switch off tube light.
Sure, turning off the tube light.
Okay Google, switch on mango light.
Sure, changing the bulb to mango.
Okay Google, switch on TV.
Got it, turning on the TV.
Okay Google, play Kapil Sharma YouTube video on living room TV.
Got it, here are some options showing on living room TV. Which one would you like?
The third one.
Sure, playing on living room TV.
Okay Google, switch on everything.
Alright, turning 5 things on.
Okay Google, switch off everything.
Alright, turning 5 things off.
Play some dance.
Okay, here's a Ghana playlist called Dance to Gani Songs.
And the very interesting part is you can create your own combinations. For my case, I have set up a cricket mode, and when I say okay Google, cricket mode on, it switches off all the high intensity lights and makes my living room into a theater mode, switches on the spotlights, switches on the fan, switches on the TV, and it creates a very comfortable environment to enjoy the cricket match. And in case you need a professional support from us, do not hesitate to leave a comment below and we will get back to you. And our team is primarily active in Hyderabad, Bangalore and in Bhubaneswar. After Google, there is a new service called Toggle. If you want to know about Toggle, please comment below.